In this video, I'll show you how to use the resources section to manage and share files with your clients. Let's have a look. What you're looking at here is the resources page, your central library for all the files and links you use in Quenza. To add a new resource, click the plus resource button. Here you can either upload a file like a PDF, a worksheet, audio file or presentation, or add a link. Uploading a file is simple. Select it from your computer and it appears here. If you change your mind, you can remove it before saving. You can also add a link, for example, a YouTube video, a Dropbox file, or a Google Drive document. Just give it a label, paste the URL, and you're good to go. Next, you define the context. The context determines who this resource is associated with in your workspace. You can link it to one client, multiple clients, a group, or keep it just for yourself. In the latter case, you don't need to select anyone here. Here's something important. When you associate a resource with a client, it will also appear inside that client's profile under the Resources tab. So the Resources page is your central overview, and the client page shows the same item within that client space. However, association does not automatically mean sharing. If you want the client to actually access the resource, you need to toggle Shared On. Once you save, the resource appears in your overview. From here, you can always update it. You can change who it is shared with, adjust the context, download it, or delete it, either by clicking directly in the columns or using the three-dot menu. That's how you manage and share files in Quenza. Thanks for watching.